Before you begin, remove the top cover and wireless module. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Remove the two 5.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the base enclosure. Remove the two 5.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the base enclosure. While supporting the display panel assembly, lift the display panel hinges off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove the display panel assembly. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.